Now, the next on my list, this is a very popular and the most useful AI platform. I've used this platform for so many things. All right, I use the platform to generate. I use this platform to access ChatGPT to generate script for my YouTube faceless content. I use this particular script, this particular website a lot, which is arena.ai. It's very, very important. And you want to pay attention to these videos. I'm teaching you how to use it, how to do side by side, and so many things that you can do with it. Now, Arena AI give you access to free. Now, it has over I think it has, I don't know, it has over 20 something AI tools and you can access them for free every blessed day. Okay. So this information I'm giving to you. All right. So this other platform that I'm going to show, we're going to use this platform to access our ChatGPT for free. Let me go to a new browser. So what you need to do is to go to your browser. We're going to search for Arena AI. Arena.ai. You're going to go ahead and just search for Arena.ai. Okay, this is our Arena.ai. So I'm going to go ahead and explain to you how this particular platform works. This is one of the most popular free platform that we have out there. All right. So this Arena AI can create almost everything. Okay, you can create landing page as you can see right here. You can build a dashboard for you. Right. So you can create game for you. You can use this particular platform to create game. As you can see, it is part of the options we have here. Right. You can use it to design. You can use it to design. You can use it to code. Right. So you can use it to build a full stack app. All right, so if you are following my page, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do all these particular things on my page. But for the purpose of this particular tutorial video, so just to show you how you can access, your ChatGPT, this particular Arena AI. We're going to use it to access a lot of free AI tools that we have here, including ChatGPT and even Grok. All right, you can use this particular tool to access most of them. Now, once you hear the word battle mode, just like what you are seeing here. Now, battle mode means that it's going to, whatever you want to create, it's going to create it side by side, and you're going to create two versions of it, and you're going to use two different AI tools to do that. So once you create it, then you are going to, pick the best. All right, you're going to pick the one that you like, and that is how you are going to rate it. Now, before that, let me just explain to you further. Now, you can see we have the battle mode, we have the agent mode, we have the side by side. Okay, the side by side. All right, we're going to be testing all these the different process where you can understand. But the side by side is going to create two different versions of, for example, you want it to give you a prompt, right? You're going to use, you are going to have options to pick from. So this one is direct. I click on direct, you see what will happen. This is just direct mode. With the direct, you can just go ahead and, you can go ahead and pick. Right, so you can go ahead and pick whatsoever. You can see we have Gemini 3.5 Flash, Cloud, Sonnet, right? We have Gemini 3.1 Pro, we have Gwen, Minimas, right? We have Cloud, we have Grok 4.20, right? Gemini 5.2, this ChatGPT, all these things you are seeing, these are the pro version of it, okay? So it's not that maybe you are using the free version, no, these are the pro version, ChatGPT 5.2, we have Cloud Sonnet, Grok 4.20, right? These are different AI tools that we have here. You even have Kim. Let me go back. I think I saw Kim. Kimi K2, this is ChatGPT 5 chat. All right. So if you have been looking for any AI tools that you can use for free, you don't have money to subscribe to get your ChatGPT, just come to Arena to say, you can see you even have DeepSeek. This is the premium version of the DeepSeek, not the normal Pro. This is this DeepSeek V4 Pro. That's what you have here. Now this is a premium version of DeepSeek, but you have it here also, so you can do anything that you want it to do. All right. So this is what I'm going to do now. I just gave it a prompt. I want to give it a prompt. Now I said, generate a Nigerian movie script for me. As you can see, that's what I asked. So before we do anything with Arena AI, first things first is that we are going to log in. I'm going to come here and click on this icon you're seeing here. Once you click on it, it's going to open up. You have new chat letter about search. You will come, you see that you're supposed to create an account. We currently do not have an account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on login. Go to continue with Google. I have no time to continue. If you want to continue with email, you can use that temporary email. Okay, you can use that temporary email. Right, so I'm just going to go ahead and continue with Google. Now you can create multiple accounts. Now, mind you, you also have some few daily limits. Okay, even though you have access to the premium versions of all the AI tools that we have here, you still have access to some few daily limits. Okay, so the what is advisable is that you can have more than one account. Maybe you want to be using ChatGPT for the premium version of it. If you are done with the premium version, it's going to let you know that you have exhausted your daily usage for the premium version. So you can go ahead and create another account, right? So that's how you're going to go about it. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to come here and click on search, right? So if you click on this search, you can see that we have multiple options here so that you don't get confused. Okay. Now, this is to code, in case you want to code. This to ask questions, like what you want to do. Now, to ask questions for search, right? This is for you want to generate video. This is for image. You want to generate image. This is for video. You want to generate video. All right. You can also use it to create a website. You can use it to create a website. So there's nothing you cannot do with Arena AI. Okay. So these are the AI tools that you need if you want to succeed. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this icon here, which is the web, the search icon. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on this direction icon to submit my prompt here. I'll click on it to submit. Now we're going to ask to agree to continue. You want to be sure you're not AI, so click on it. Even AI is afraid of AI signing up. As you can see, it's currently searching. All right. When it's done, as you can see, we have options here. Now we have option A and option B. So as you can see right here, or as you can see, they are done generating. Right. All right. This is the prompt I was given to it. I said generate a Nigeria movie script for me. Right. This is the A, assistant A. You can see what assistant A did. All right. This is the name here. Check update. You see assistant A. Now here is what it wrote. If you want, I can also turn. All right. Let me just. That's the end part of it. Let me take it to the beginning. So you can see what they generated. All right. Let me just scroll to the beginning. All right. So this is the. You can see. Yeah, the title is The Depth of Rain. Okay. The setting is Lagos and Village, Eastern Nigeria. Tone, emotion, tense, cultural, classic, Nollywood with. You can see it's going to just go ahead and, created created the script for us. You can see everything was created for us. Now, now we can see that we have option to pick from. Okay. This is the assistant B. This is what we created, right? So you can go ahead and go through it. So now I'm going to go ahead and just pick one, the one I like the most. Okay, you can see I have option between the two, and they are asking me to vote. So A is better or B is better. So the issue now is that anytime if I pick anyone, if I say A is better, now they're going to go ahead and show me the AI tool that was used to create the A that is better. So let me click on A is better. Alright, as you see A is better. Now you can see what I used is GPT-5. Let me scroll up so you can see. Now, what was used to generate this particular one that I picked is GPT-5. Okay. Now, this one, what we used here was Grok 4.3. Now, mind you, these are premium versions of Grok. Okay, not the normal one that you're using. This is the premium version. So, whatsoever they are creating for you here, it is a premium version that you are using. Okay, so these are to use side by side. Now, as you can see, we currently on a battle mode. Okay, battle mode. So you want the best. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and use side by side. Side by side means that you are going to have to pick which one you want to use. All right. You can see the options we have here. We have two options here. We have cloud and then we have grok. So I'm going to come here and just come here and edit it. I want to pick the one I want to use. So I want to use okay, let me say Gemini 3 Flash. Right, that's what I want to use. Then this grok 4.3, I'm going to change it to something. Let me say GPT 5.1. Right. So I'm going to come here and paste my prompt here. Right now. Now I'm going to paste the same prompt here and I'm going to go ahead and click on search. Once I click on search, you can see it's going to go ahead and start generating. Okay, so I have to accept that I'm not a robot. So every time you want to generate anything here, they must ask you to be very sure that you are not a robot. So I'm going to click on I am not a robot. So after that, the generation is going to continue. All right, as you can see, they are done generating. So now you can use this platform in case you want to generate a very, nice script. You can use different platforms to generate it and just go ahead and, make use of the best platform. Right. So for a tutorial method, for a tutorial purpose, we do not have time to go and cross check. Now the title of this one is The Price of Blood and Oil. Let me see what this other one created. That is ChatGPT 5. This one is still currently creating. As you can see, it's still generating. You see this thing is loaded, that means it's still generating. So I'm able to scroll to the beginning. I want to see the title of the movie is trying to generate. Now, mind you, for those of you that are having issue with, maybe YouTube is complaining about the prompt. Now you can always edit the prompt the way you want. You can edit it the way you want. Right? Once you give you the prompt, you can edit it, rewrite the story the way you want it. Okay. Or you can take it to Cloud AI and rewrite the story. You make it look real. All right. Make it look real by yourself by re-editing it. Take it to Microsoft Word, re-edit the write-up and everything. The story become yours. Okay. Even though the storyline is the same thing with others, but with the things you are going to say, everything will be different at the end of the day. All right. So as you can see, yes, this is how you are going to go ahead and just, use all the side by side. Now there are other things that we can do here. If you check here, apart from the side by side, we can use direct. You click on direct. Direct means that you can just send it directly without, wasting any time. Now, mind you, just in case you want to create something else, okay? But for the purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to use ChatGPT for free. As you can see, there are other free AI tools that you can use here. So it's not for video. I didn't come here to teach you how to create video. But if you want to create video, you can actually still come here. So not for this particular tutorial. So this tutorial just to leak the secret of the apps that you can use. Okay. Now how to use the app is what I'm going to be doing on this channel. Okay. I'm going to show you how to use different apps. I'm going to be using to create websites, create apps, create AI video, create movie. All right, that's what I'm going to be doing. But the purpose of this particular video is just to make sure that I give you access and show you these free AI tools that you can use to create. So in case you have been, looking for money to subscribe, you don't have money to subscribe, you don't need to do that anymore. All right, with all these AI tools, you can use them to create whatever you want to create. Create 10 minutes video, 30 minutes video, unlimited video. You can use all these AI tools to do that. You can use them at the same time. All right, so in case you maybe want to create video, this one is for video, you can go ahead and click on it. So as you can see, now you're still going to do the battle mode. This is for video. Now you can see that you have options to actually pick which particular stop you want to use to create your video. This is the one two we did earlier. Okay, that's for image. Let me go back and just make sure I focus on the video generation. This image I mean to say, all right, so is video want to create. Let me go back. So let me go back to battle mode. I don't think there is no video in this side by side. So I'll click on the video. All right, over here, you can see here we can create video. Yeah, so you can go ahead and put your prompt here. If you want to create video, I don't want the video to be too long, so you can go ahead and put your prompt here. And then it's also going to create it. It will create two different videos for you. And you're going to pick the best. All right, once you pick the best, you can actually see, once you pick the best, it's going to show you which particular platform that was used to create that video. So Arena AI is one of the best AI out there. I use it a lot. All right. So in case you want to use ChatGPT for free, you want to use Gemini for free, especially for research purpose, Arena AI is the best place for you to go. But if you're talking about creating video, you can also use Arena AI. But Arena AI is majorly for creating things like creating your website. I can see most of the things that they have here. You are creating your landing page. So these major things are what Arena AI is meant for, right? It can also be used to create your video. But in case you don't have ChatGPT Premium, this is your ChatGPT Premium, right? This is how you access your ChatGPT Premium version and some other AI tools, okay, using your Gemini AI. So this is the best app. So there's one more that I'm going to show you, which is also very important. Now, the last one I'm going to show you here is this doc.ai. So you can go over to your browser, search for doc.ai, as you can see here. So this is the interface, doc.ai. Now I'm going to go ahead and just click so that you can see what you can do with doc.ai. Now with doc.ai, you have access to ChatGPT 5.4 mini, right? You have ChatGPT 5.4 nano. So you have access to cloud. In case you have been looking for how to access your cloud, now you have access to Cloud Hoku 4.5. Right? So this particular doc.ai give you access to ChatGPT, the premium versions of it, and access to Cloud AI, the premium version. Okay. So we also have others like Mistral, but all these are not that popular. We have GPT OSS 120 bytes. Then you have Gemma 4. Right. So the purpose of this particular why I'm showing you this is that it's just for ChatGPT and this Cloud AI that you can actually use from here. So you can actually do your voice chats here. You can use voice to prompt anything you want to prompt here. So in case you are looking for how to access ChatGPT for free and you do not have money to subscribe to ChatGPT monthly payment, you can come here. Doc.ai is specifically for ChatGPT, right? Premium access. It gives you ChatGPT, it gives you premium access to ChatGPT, and it gives you premium access to your cloud AI. So you do not have any excuse that you don't have access to free AI tools. All right. These are secret that a lot of people doesn't know. So I have to go and dig it out. All right. I took my time to make sure that I compiled all these things together to make sure that you have access to these free AI tools. So you no longer have any excuse. Now, what you need now, in case you don't have the skill on how to create these AI tools, now this particular channel, that's what I create on this channel. So I'm going to make sure that you subscribe to this particular channel and make sure that you are following my video back to back. As you can see, I'm doing a 30 days posting challenge. So you're going to be having access to different AI tools. You're going to be creating full movies using all these free AI tools. Okay. I create movies and I create websites using free AI tools. You don't have to pay for it. So except maybe you have money to pay to subscribe, 50,000 naira to be paying for Grok every month or Nano or View 3, then you can go ahead. But if you don't have this access, now this particular video has shown you how to access different AI platforms. All right, there you can actually create your AI tools, AI for free. So you don't have any excuse why you cannot start your AI generation today.